This new posting for this series on Cafe1 is how to add a URL, a Cafe1 URL, but more importantly, one that has logic in the URL string itself. Attaching just a website is one thing, but attaching a website with interactive connectivity to the JD Edwards data itself, that's what we're going to show today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I have an address book record open. A website here to the de novo address. I'm going to copy the entire link here. And now I'm going to open up our edit form layout. I'm going to add content. And I'm going to URL. I'm going to click and drag and drop. Now, URL links are websites will only embed if you're allowed to use them inside your websites. Some websites don't have that criteria, but those that do, like Google and Bing, there are special licenses you can have with them to allow you to represent or show their websites inside yours, like intranet sites or like this JD Edwards site. So I'm going to use Bing here. I'm going to paste in and give it a name. Now, what makes this dynamic to the JD Edwards data is to click on this dynamic. And you'll see the website is now disappeared from up top, and now it's been disassembled in these parameters. Now I can map the web link via this is map to option here, and then I can construct what was there. Now it took that here so I can see the previews here, so it shows the address and the city and state. So I can do is map to the little plus symbol. And notice it just took away the city state, so I need to make sure I add city and then state. And if I don't have a postal code, I can try to add it, but it's not going to let me. It's going to be upset that I don't have data, which means I can just type data in for it to add, so it can recognize the field itself. If I needed to add a dash, or if there was a symbol between something, that's where I can use your text. So if I needed to hard code something, like maybe this field here, this is U531, I can do is mapped to and put in here U531 as an example. Do this plus symbol, and now that is mapped. I don't have to for this particular site, but I wanted to show you how you can use the static value as a way to continue the building on of your website link. Now from here, I can click save. It'll do the verification. If it's not licensed to be inside a frame, inside a website, it will say it's not allowed or can't link. So our next session, look forward to our next session where we talk about really common Cafe1s. Thanks for your time. See you next time.